Yo, what's up, people? I'm back, baby. So, today I'm gonna build the best app ever.
5 hours later.
Build complete. Starting app. System failure.
I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
So, Google hates me. Why? Because I made 2 of the same to-do list. But, I don't want a fucking basic to-do list, so we're gonna spice it up and make it Google friendly. Alright boys, so let's get on with it, and here's the journey vlog style. Adios! Alright, so I need the logos for the app. So I came up with the coloring, the gradient, wow, pinkish red gradient, and an M. Because I'm gonna name it Motivato. It means to be motivated. So that's how the M looks for the logo, and this is how it will look. Yeah, so from here it might look a little bit fuzzy, but hey, look at the sexy hunk of a beast with the M and the O and the T and the Vato. Wow! I was gonna put the logos from the default ones, and it needs a fucking update, so I had to install all this shit. So fucking, come on, open. Damn it, open. Open. More updates. Come on. Like, I haven't used our studio in ages, but come on, man. More updates. It's 8:41 p.m. and I have shit to do, man. So, people of the Wild West, well, it's been 2 days. Or 3, I have no idea when I last recorded. I'm supposed to post today at 5 p.m. But as you can see, it's 7:41 p.m. Wow, blurry. So we're gonna change. I'm gonna change. You're not gonna do shit, you fuck. So, so I'm gonna change the app icons. Now I need to remember how to fucking do it. So I'm gonna be checking my old video that I made, how to change app icon in Android Studio. That should refresh my memory, so I'm gonna do that. And also, if you want to watch it, if you keep forgetting like me, I'm gonna put the link in the description. And you know what we're at, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, see you in a few bits. We got logos, baby. You look at this little hunk of a boy. Wow. Alright, submit or finish. Wait, next. God damn it, it's next. I don't know why it's red, but I'm gonna assume it's gonna work. So, finish. Whee! So bloody Johnny over here came over to me and he's like, "Hey man, what the fuck am I gonna do? I be forgetting shit." I'm like, "Don't worry, Johnny boy, I got the solution for you. I got you, man. I got you. I got the thing for you. I saved you, Johnny. I saved you, Johnny boy. Little nosy." Oh, this is what we done, boys. We got a little icon here and notification. It does hello. Ooh, very fancy. It fucking loads a little bit, but then it opens in the settings. If you turn it on, we see fancy. We got technology, people. Wow, it alerts you, and then you can make it silent. Wow. Behold, gave Johnny a fucking to-do list. But wait. Johnny was not fucking bloody happy. He was like, "It's not enough, man. What if I don't have free time? Blah, 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 blah. What if I don't manage to do anything? Blah, 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 blah. Hey, what if I don't do this and don't do that? Ugh, shut the fuck up, Johnny. I'll fix it. Fuck you." So then we overcomplicated the shit out of everything. And we added a piece of code that fucking plans your timetable based on your questions. So we fucking complicate the fucking world, man. Also, Johnny, just for the fucking record, this is how it works. You bloody input a fucking task, it goes in this fucking nicey little menu here, and you know, and then you create a task, alright, bloody Johnny, and then you write your shit, and then you put a deadline, and you fucking click, Come on, fucking work. Click, you fucking choose a color if you want. Fucking see, I gave you colors, Johnny, and you still fucking complain. I gave you color, wow, look at the color. Wow, Johnny, look at fucking color. And then you'll be done, wow, it will see if you fucking have time or free time, and it will give you that. A little more calm. So, in short, so I don't fucking bore you people, you input a task, it checks if you have free time, and if you have free time, it will then put the task for you. But if you don't have free time, it will show it to you on another day and be like, hey buddy, I don't have enough fucking space for you today and you need to take a break, so adios, we put it tomorrow, and tomorrow you will find the task. If you don't understand it, fuck.
Hey fucker.
What now, Solo?
Don't you think this shit is way too complicated?
What do you mean, how is this complicated? You just input a task, input your time, see when you wake up, see when you sleep, and then if you don't agree,
It's overcomplicated. It's overcomplicated. It's overcomplicated.
Fine. Fine. Behold. Button. Wow.
Problem fixed.
Not really. You just made a button that ignores your questions, but the questions are still there.
So, this is where the spice comes in. I put teams, so default, wow, dark team, bloody move, Christmas theme if you're fucking wanting Christmas in fucking February, but it's there, nostalgic if you feel nostalgic about Christmas, you know, a bunch of shit. Yes, they are with adverts, but I am broke and I need the cents.
You can save money with this app. Woo, we got discounts. Wow, these actually work, you know. Every time you do a task, you get points, which in turn gives you discounts. It's not a perfect system, boys, but who knows? Maybe by time, I'll improve it.
Damn it, coddle me.
App link in the description.
See you on the next one. Peace out.